Okay, Chrysler 300 05 to 010. It started the car. Problems. You try to start it, battery is good, windows go down. You can beep the horn. The windows go down up like with power, like normally. Radio is okay. Okay, and you try to when you try to turn it on the car, you don't come on. Okay, so and you replace, or your mechanic replace the starter, like in the last couple months or whatever, in the last year. Okay, this part is close over here to the intake and the muffler and stuff, exhaust parts, so it get overheat. So and this is what happened with it. This is what happened. You see how this will look? It's all broken. Okay, so I went to the junkyard, get this one for less than $3. Okay, and it's easy to take it out because it's engines in there. I mean cars without engines in there, so it's easy. So you don't have to go under the car and there and risk yourself. Okay, I already cut it. Okay, you see it right there, cable right there, the green one. Okay, it's right there. Okay, need a better phone, but hopefully you guys can see it. It's up there, like right there. Okay, so in the top of this nut right here, the second one to the left is like a little piece of metal. That's the plug right there. Just like try to put it together, cut it a little bit and tape it, pull out a lot of tape, because this over here is the this aluminum right here, that's the heat protector, but the heat protector is not even enough for all the heat. Like when you're driving far or anything, like you try to work like 30 minutes to go, 30 minutes to go back home, so that's a lot. Hopefully this work for you guys. Thank you. This is again Crazy J Mechanic, always trying to bring some solutions for you guys so you don't have to spend no money. Just give me a like. You like this video, it is useful. Hopefully it is, because like my videos, I do my videos when I don't find nothing out there. So and I can do it in Spanish too. Si no te prende el carro, solamente, y todo está bien, la electricidad, todo está bien, las ventanas suben bien, el panel, todas las luces están bien, prenden, las luces prenden del carro bien, con fuerza. Le das a la bocina y prende de lo más bien, a mí suena de lo más bien. Este es el problema, ese cablecito que ves ahí, eso trae un plug, lo acabo de cortar, lo voy a cambiar. Va a ser, este es el que traía de fábrica, ahí está roto, no hace contacto, se mueve por el caliente, eso es de caliente. Entonces esto es un plástico, no sé quién se le ocurrió la idea, pero pues los ingenieros así lo hicieron. Vas al junker y consigues un carro sin motor, no te arriesgas a meterte abajo del carro, lo cortas y te lo traes por menos de $3. Y pues aquí le traemos siempre la solución, cosas que me funcionan a mí, espero que a ustedes les funcionen. Y pues no veo a nadie haciendo videos de cosas así. Otra vez, este es el loco, José el Loco. Denme un like si les gusta mi video, espero que les sea útil. Seguiremos haciendo más videos con la ayuda de ustedes. Muchas gracias y muchas bendiciones.